Hello everybody and welcome to today's video from Nick Taylor Plumbing Limited. Thanks for tuning in. Today we've been called out to a washing machine which is not draining, it's lots of water in there and it's not working. So we need to fix it. So this is the most easiest fix you'll ever do in your life and I'll show you how to do it just now. So here you have, on all washing machines they're slightly different, but you will always have an access panel here, and I'll simply put you can see it's beeping at me, you can simply put my screwdriver in and just very gently just prise him open, and that will then reveal in here you've got two areas of interest. So the two areas of interest, you've got this here. Now in there is a filter, and that filter just catches all the rubbish and all the hair and whatever, and over time it gets blocked, which is what the problem is here. And then you've got this here. Now this is like a little hose which we'll pull out, and as you can see you've got a bit of play on that. Now if I were to open this without opening this first, this is full of water, and that water goes all the way up to the half filled the washing machine. So if we open that, we're going to get pretty wet. So here, this is the whole idea. It's like a drain off valve really. So I'm going to unscrew this little plastic washer on there, get my tub underneath it, and just drain any excess water out. So I'll show you how I do that right now. Okay, so I've got my tub. I've got plenty of blue roll just to mop up any little bits. So let's get the worst of it. So I've got the hose. The water level will be below that, but I want to get the worst of it off first. So I literally get that. I'm trying to do it so you can see. Hold the black hose with one hand, and then the other hand, you gently just unscrew it. Like this. See that? It's quite tough. So we're nearly there now. I'm just gonna. Oh, look at that. A nice bit of sludge. So, depending on how big your tub is, you could get quite a lot of water. So always keep this ready in your hand. So if it starts to get full, you can just push it back in just to stop it, and then you can empty your bucket and start again. Now this absolutely stinks. Now I've actually just discovered that this flap just pulls off, makes things a lot easier. Get my bucket closer, so happy days. Just pull that back out, and yeah, just let it drain. There's a lot of water in here. It's important to note, whilst we're waiting for this to drain, we don't have to turn the water off at the mains water or anything like that. The washing machine has its own isolation valve, and when you turn it on and put the cycle on, that's when the pump sucks that water in, so you don't need to worry about turning the water off to it. So it's just coming to a little dribble now. It's just starting to slowing right down, just dripping out. Now the water level, because of the height of my bucket, the water level is still a little bit higher where I want it to be, because the hose is lower. So you can either get a flat, like a paint roller tray. It's a bit lower, that's always a handy. If you haven't got one to hand, I'm just going to get a load of blue roll and just do this. So hold it higher, move the bucket out of the way, so you can see, just get the blue roll, and just pretty much just lower it so the blue roll catches it. Okay, so I'm just going to I've pretty much got the last of it out, so it's all nice and dry. Hold it lower, as low as it will go, so any of that water can get out. So I can move that. I can put this back in now, because I'm happy with that, and I'll push it back in so it's out of the way. Now there is still going to be water in here. It's going to be probably quite a bit, like half a pint's worth of water, something like that. So I'm going to get my blue roll. I'll just try and get it underneath, ready to catch it. I'll get some more ready when I open it, and we're going to hopefully see a load of gunk in here now. So just literally give it a turn. Don't have to put much force on it. It's quite loose, and it will just unscrew. And ready. Just gently take it out. There's not much water in this. me. That's really quite smelly. That's actually not too bad, to be fair. You can see kind of the filters and how it catches all the rubbish, but we'll give that a clean up. But what you can't see, or may not be able to see, there's like some like there's a couple of stones in there, which a bit of wood or something, and that has probably just got itself jammed in that awkward position, and was stopping it draining. So I'm going to give it in there a bit of a clean. I'm just going to get some blue roll, give it a wipe out, and put it all back together and fire it up, and should be problem solved. Okay, so we give this a clean out now. It was actually quite bad. At first it didn't look too bad, but there's quite a lot of stuff could have stuck in there, like twigs and all sorts of rubbish. I was given in there with clean out. We're going to put it back together. Just make sure you put the little plug in the end of there, and then just line this up. There's a certain way this goes in, so don't force it, and it'll go in, and then just screw it nicely. This has got an arrow and an arrow there to line it up. That's now in, it's kind of clicked. Don't put too much force on it. And that's it, so you put it all back together. I'd leave it like that, give it a test run, fill it up, see if it works, make sure you haven't got water coming out. And that's it. 9 times out of 10, any fault with a washing machine is that filter is just blocked up. We've just tested this, it's up and running, as you can probably hear. The job's good. We've all sorted. So again, thanks for watching this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.